We got some good news from the Florida legislature in October of 2019. I've been defending criminal cases for 26 years, and I'm not even used to saying that we get good news because punishment always seems to get worse and worse. In this case, for shoplifting, for petty theft, for grand theft, all that stuff got better. And here's how it got better. For decades now, Florida law has said that if you steal something over $300, that is a grand theft. Over $300 gets you in circuit court. It's a third-degree felony. You face 5 years prison. You face a $5,000 fine. You face 5 years probation. It gets real messy in circuit court, and it can be a $305 little purse. They make such things. And now the new law says, no, that's not a felony anymore. It takes $750 to get to the felony threshold, which is a beautiful thing. So the new law breaks down the petty theft, what we call petty theft, what we call shoplifting, all the stuff under $750. It breaks it down into two forms. The lowest petty theft shoplifting charge you can have is what we call a second-degree misdemeanor. That's, say you went to Publix, you're accused of going to Publix or Walmart, self-checkout lane, and the items are under $100. For items that are under $100, that's a second-degree misdemeanor. You can get 60 days in jail, 6 months probation, and a $500 fine for a first offense. So that's the low-level shoplifting petty theft charge. From there, everything over $100, but below the $750 threshold, that is a first-degree misdemeanor, an M1 is what we call it. And you face a year in jail, a $1,000 fine, and a year of probation. Any combination of those for an accusation of items totaling over $100, but still under the felony threshold of $750. So that's the good news for today, is that the legislature is making it a little harder for the prosecutors to get a felony out of a shoplifting case. It used to be pretty easy to rack up $300 at a store and then be in circuit court on a felony. Nowadays, $750 is going to be tough to get to. So that's my news for today. That's the update for today.